Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're gonna share some tips and tricks you can try out on the Moto One Vision. So Moto One Vision comes with stock Android. Even though this is under Android One platform, Motorola has added some features to the UI. So we'll talk about those features in this video. So this has the Android 9.0 update, and this will be also getting the Android Q update later this year. So let's get started with the tips and tricks. So first, let's go to the settings panel. So there you go. If you go to the settings panel, you have lots of additional options. First, let's go to the display settings. So in the display settings, you can see that if you select all the options, so you can see that there is an option for colors. So this colors allows you to customize the display colors. So we have options like natural, boosted colors, saturated colors. So whichever way you like the display colors, you can actually change and do a bit of customization. If you want the natural colors, go with that. If you like vibrant and saturated colors, go with the saturated color option. So that's another useful option. Then there is also adaptive brightness option and night light. So night light is something which is eye comfort mode on a few other smartphones. So if you're using the device at night, it's better to use the night mode. You can also schedule the night mode on this device. So going to the other options, we have this Moto app. So Moto app is one of those apps which Motorola includes in all their smartphones. So Moto app includes Moto Actions and Moto Display. So if you go to the Moto Actions, so we have a quick capture, flashlight, and one button nav along with 3-finger screenshot. So we'll just show you all these options. So first one is the quick capture. So you can see that twist your wrist twice quickly to open the camera anytime. So we'll just try this out. So this is turned on. So when your display is turned off, so you can see here, if you twist, you can see that it opens the camera app. That's one feature. Then next is a chop twice for flashlight. So whenever you take out the display, you can chop twice and you can see that the flashlight turns on. So that's another feature with the Moto app. Now another feature is one button nav. So what it does is, instead of the back and home button, it will have only one button. So if you turn it down, you can see that these are the options. So just try this out. You can see that the options are swipe left to go back, swipe right for previous app, swipe up for recent app, and hold to launch the assistant. So that's the one button now. So you can see that there is just one button included, no other option. So you can use this one button to swipe left or swipe right or press to home button. So that's the option included in this one button now. So another useful feature is a 3-finger screenshot. So we'll just demo this. So this is actually self-explanatory. Just press and take capture. So that's a 3-finger screenshot. You can see that screenshot has been captured. So that's another useful feature. Now there is also Moto Display. So peak display that's interact with notifications and more while the screen is off. That means when the screen is turned off, you get a notification. You can interact there itself with the Moto Display. Then there is attentive display. Keep the screen on while you're looking at it. That's again another useful feature, especially when you're reading. The display does not turn off. So these are the features included here. Then if you go to system settings, we have gestures supported. So there are a few gestures included. One is swipe fingerprint for notification. So you can just swipe on the fingerprint if you want to bring the notification toggle. Then jump to camera, swipe up on the home button, prevent ringing. So these are some gestures which are built in with the stock Android. Then there is also another useful app called the Dolby app. So if you turn this on, you can see that Dolby, you can turn it on based on how you want the audio performance. Smart audio is there. There is music, movie. So if you're watching movie, go with the movie mode. If you're listening to music, you can go with the music mode. Or if there is even the loudspeaker. Dolby audio is always on for the loudspeaker playback. So these are some useful options with the Moto One Vision. So if you have this device, you can just try out these basic features included. So that is the tips and tricks you can try out on the Moto One Vision. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.